So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own server tag on Discord in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First open your Discord and get over to your server, then click on server boost, and then here you'll find server tags. Just click on enable, and then it will ask you to pay for the boost if you don't have enough, so just go ahead and do that. And once you do this, just click on continue and then just complete this process, and then it will ask you what to write on your tag, and just do that and then make your own tag and then just enjoy your own tag. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.